Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Igloo MaxCold Soft Coolers, a must-have for your outdoor adventures. This cooler can hold up to 16 cans, making it perfect for picnics, beach trips, or tailgating with friends. It features a convenient front zipper pocket for additional storage, allowing you to keep essentials like napkins or utensils within easy reach. The bottom panels are poo-coated, ensuring durability and long-lasting use, even in rugged environments. Plus, the leak-resistant liner makes cleaning a breeze, so you can focus on having fun without worrying about spills. Whether you're heading to the park or the pool, this cooler is designed to keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.